Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to change lots to volume. And if you want to do this, you can simply go to the left in the bottom and select right here settings. Then if you go here to assets, you will find right here all the assets and you have two options. You can do units or lots. Now we are having lots, so if I'm creating my order, you see lots, but we want this to volume. There right now we select right here units. And what you also can do is enable right here set units per asset, and then you can decide per asset what you want to trade in units or lots. So right now, if we just doing default assets trading units at units, now if we click on the cross, right mouse click, place new order, and you see right here that we can trade in volume. So this is how you can change it. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.